Everyone, welcome back to Bougie Doll Life. Today in Bougie Doll Life, we're going to the Barbie Cafe. So when we went to the Barbie Cafe, I had so much fun. It's themed after the Malibu Barbie, which is super cool, and everything is so tropical, and I love everything. They had skating, and it was so much fun. This was everything on the menu. They had amazing cocktails that looked so good. I had ordered the cauliflower bowl, and then I had tried the burger, which was really delicious. And this is some of the menu of how it looked, and also the table setting. It had these really cute succulents in the middle of the table. So I want to show you guys the whole overview. So it was super nice. It had lights going across, and it had a gift shop, and it had this sign that was really cute, and all the signs that said Barbie, which I thought was adorable. This is my plate of the cauliflower bowl. It was really good. It had avocado, it had cauliflower, it had pickled onions, so delicious, and I had this cute side salad to match. And then I had a margarita, and there also was a mojito that I tried that was really good. And I tried this other drink. It was really amazing. I will probably show it in the other clip because I had ordered it towards the end. So now I'm just showing you guys an overview again of the food, and then after that I had got this drink right here, which is really cute. I think it was a Think Pink. I think that's what this one was called, but it was really good. And then I also got a tumbler, and I got a notebook, and you could order everything ahead of time with your reservation. And this is just a clip from my Instagram to show on my story. You guys follow me on Instagram, don't already do. This is the cake pops that was rainbow and lemon. And then I'm heading to the inside of the cafe because we sat on the outside. So when you walk into the inside, it has a cute display of Malibu Barbie. Also had other pictures of Barbies, which were super cute. It had like a collage wall, and then they had even some Barbies on display. This is an up close view of the collage wall. It was so pretty, and I love it. It had pictures from Barbie style, and I absolutely loved it. And these are the Barbies that were on display. It's like the retro Barbie Malibu dolls, and they're so adorable. I think it's so cute. This is a close look of it, and I love that camper. I've been looking at that camper in Macari. I think it's really cute. And then this is the gift shop where you could buy more things, and I ended up getting a Barbie t-shirt to match. But thank you guys so much for coming with me to the Barbie Cafe, and I hope you guys get a chance to go to the Barbie Cafe if it comes to a city near you. Mine is in Miami for another month or so I do plan on going back before it closes. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.